So here, this is your channel. So in your channel, so many people are wrong comment will done by your channels. Means any video they can give the wrong commitment, wrong comments will be uploaded on your channel. The purpose of we can disable your comment box. The comment will be total 4 option. Enable your comment, hide, hide with review, and totally disable your comment box. That will be showing for one is called community option. In this community, the option call is community settings. The option call is community setting. So in this one, now click for community setting. Just scroll down here. In this, we have totally 4 options. Allow all comment, hold potential inappropriate comment for reviews, means they are showing any kind of related inappropriate comments. Next one, hold all comments for review. They will comment when we accept, the comment will show to the users. Last one, disable your comment, means the comment totally disabled by the users. But when disabled, it will be more effect by your YouTube percentage. So we can accept by the hold all comments for review or allow the all comments. If anybody wrong post on comment, please delete the comment. The comment will delete will be very easy. That is called, just go to your comment. Anyone posting, if it's not showing for your YouTube video below comment, simply click for removing this option. Or else, we have one more option is there, that is called report spam or abuse. Hide this user comment on this channel. We can stop the user and particular user also. The user posting so many comments, wrong comments, can stop the particular user comment box also. Always approve comment from this user. Add this user in comment mandators. So they will be posting from good comments, nice comments. Is also add this user as a comment mandators. So anyone. So easy posting like this. Click here. This is called your mandatory person also. Is it clear? Total what is the comment will be 4 option. Allow and hold on, reviews and disable. In this, we can put a particular person abusing. Add this user comment in this channel. Particular user we can block on this particular channel. Always approve comment for this user. Add this user as a comment mandators. Is it clear? These are all option we're using for YouTube comment, option for enable and disable. These are the options. Please write down.